Good morning, Morgan, and good morning to any of Morgan's friends that have joined us for this video today. Now, today we're going to talk a little bit more about the directory function. We talked about it yesterday, and I showed you an example with it, but we're just going to go ahead and read the chapter, and then that'll be it. We don't need to do any examples because you saw one yesterday. But let's just go ahead and read this section of the manual that has to deal with the functions, just because it's a good way to learn. Okay, all right, so let's where's the button? Here we go.
Python Training Video 34. The dir function. The built-in function dir is used to find out which names a module defines. It returns a sorted list of strings.
Okay, we saw this yesterday when we used the directory command on the sys library. Here is an instance where we do it with the Fibo library that we created. And if you notice, it's got the fib and the fib2 that we defined, but it also has this system defined one named. And that is what it uses in that little bit of logic at the very end of it that allows you to call it from both a program and also to call it from the command line. So I just wanted to point that out. Okay? All right. Let's go ahead and continue with our reading.
Without arguments, dir lists the names you have defined currently.
Okay, there you go. So I guess you don't have, if you don't put something in there, it's going to go ahead and tell you what you're using as it is. Okay. Anyway, so let's go on to the next bit.
Note that it lists all types of names, variables, modules, functions, etc.
Ooh, I didn't know that. So it names everything. Cool.
dir does not list the names of built-in functions and variables. If you want a list of those, they are defined in the standard module built-ins.
There's something else I didn't know. So we're learning together. Isn't that awesome? So these are what's interesting about these built-ins is they all have to do with error handling, which we haven't gotten into yet, but we will, because that's a very important part of programming, is figuring out where you've gone wrong in a code to find the errors, or like I like to call them, learning opportunities. Anyway, that's it for today's video, and we'll see you in the next one. Now go out there and have some fun today.